I'm a big believer that failure is the best means of learning. If it doesn't work, you can still leave an impression, or you can still affirm or encourage whoever that person is in a way that can still speak measures to your character. My challenge to you, which you might not have heard before in your life, is set a failure goal. What failure provides you is often the ingredients for what's needed to make the idea successful. Set a failure or output goal of just doing something and not succeeding. Have someone hold you accountable, and do that for about 3 months before you do anything else. As long as that's based on healthy morals and a healthy understanding, you'll be amazed by some of the fun ideas that can come into fruition when you start committing yourself to those habits.